welcome to a new video of Made by Siem. The Knitcrate arrived to my doorstep just a couple of days ago, maybe a little over a week ago, but unfortunately I didn't have any time to do this video any sooner. But as we are heading to the end of this month, I decided I really wanted to do it today. I just had a good look at the yarn and the book and everything that is inside of the box because I already did my Dutch video. And I can tell you guys, I love it. Thank you so much, Knitcrate, for sending this beautiful yarn to me. I truly love it. Now, if you have never ever heard of Knitcrate before, Knitcrate is a yarn subscription box, and it comes in a variety of different boxes. This is the membership box. You also have a Malabrico box, which is a quarterly box. This is a monthly box. Then another monthly box is the sock crate. And there are a few other boxes as well. But if you want to know more, then please go down to the description box of this video, use my link, and check out the website of Knitcrate for all that they have to offer. Now, I'm an influencer, which means that Knitcrate does send the box to me, but I can assure you guys that whenever they don't send it to me, I would go for a subscription myself, because I love it that much. I love it that much. You know, it's a little gift to yourself every single month, just a moment for you to enjoy the gift that you get, and it means a lot to me. So yeah, I love it. If you decide that you want to go for a membership yourself, or subscription I should say, this is the membership, which is a monthly box. Then please use my link down below into the description box of this video, and you can also use my coupon code, which is Made by Siem 20. Right? Okay, let's have a look at this beautiful box of the month of December 2019. Ta-da! I love it. I love it. The yarn of this month is like really soft. It is squishy. It is soft. It's sort of knitting yarn, knitted yarn, chain yarn. I should say chain yarn. Look at that. It's one of the Vidalana yarns, Lofty DK. This colorway is mistletoe. 48% merino wool, 20% baby alpaca, and 32% organic cotton. It's a DK weight, 274 yards, 250 meters, 100 grams per skein, and you get 2 skeins in this box. It's a hand wash only, lay flat to dry yarn, and all Vidalana yarns are made exclusively for Knitcrate. 2 of these beautiful yarns. Now, this is the chill out color, but you also have 2 other options. You have the Energize Me, and you also have the All Natural. You can choose between, when you have a subscription, you can choose between one of these themes. If you don't want to choose, you can go for the Anything Goes, and they will send you a color, so it still will be a surprise what you get. Now this month there is a little extra something in the box. It's the logo pin of Knitcrate, and I love these pins. I love them. I love them so much. What I do is I put them on my bag, or on the project bag, or something like that. I love them. Super nice. Thank you, Knitcrate. Now, this is the little booklet of this month. All the patterns of the membership crate and the sock crate are inside of this little book. So this is the crochet item for the month of December. Love it, love it. And this is the other colorway. I'm just taking the book aside. The theme and inspiration of this month is called greenery. And they explain on the first page of the book why they choose for the name greenery. But it's, you know, when you have a subscription, the book is like really cool to read in. So I'm not gonna spoil that for you guys. Now, the membership yarns are for the month of December are these yarns. This is the mistletoe color, the chill out one that I have. Then you have the Energize Me. The color scheme is called Mittens, and the All Natural is Firewood. Love them all. I was really hoping for this color and that color, and luckily I got the mistletoe one, which makes me really happy. So on the next page they show to you all the colors that you have in the sock crate. The Berry Bright for the Energize Me, the Silver Bells for the All Natural, and the Garland for the Chill Out. Love it, love it. Now here are the pictures of the sock crate patterns, the crochet pattern, and this is the knitting pattern, and the same for the membership crate, which is this one I'm showing you right here, the Wildberry Scarf by Holly Giesemann, the crochet pattern, and here is the Keep Me Cozy leg warmers from Ashley Robides. Sorry if I'm pronouncing your name incorrect. I am truly sorry. My excuse, I'm being Dutch. Sometimes it's hard to pronounce names and stuff like that. So this is the knitting pattern for this box. Love it. I wish I was a knitter. Then the Wildberry Scarf, which is the crochet pattern. The pattern is in here, all the instructions. You have a written pattern in this book, but also a chart, a diagram. We here in the Netherlands we always say diagram. I'm not sure if you're familiar with that, but in the book it says chart. All the patterns in the book are, of course, in English, because Knitcrate is an English company located in Miami, United States. Keep Me Cozy. Yeah, another sock pattern for knitting. Then the crochet pattern for knitting is in the book. And then at the very end of the book, on the back side of the little booklet, there is the theme peak citron for the month of January 2019. So I'm pretty much excited to see what is in next month's box. I love the pattern in this month's box, so I probably will be making the scarf. I like it a lot, and the yarn is so super nice. It feels so good. Love it. Okay. Anyway, if you want to go for a subscription to the Knitcrate, I would ask you guys if you want to use my link and coupon code made by Siem for 20% off of your very first order at Knitcrate. Whenever you have a subscription to Knitcrate, then you will get the beautiful box every single month. What you also have is you earn stash points. Every month that you have the Knitcrate, you earn stash points, and with the stash points you can go to their shop and order some extra yarn, and with the stash points you get a discount, and and so on. And when you have more stash points, you can have more discount. But if you want to know everything about it, then please go down to the description box, use my link, and check their website out. Every month you also have a double down or something else that is going on their website, and you can get and buy yarn for a couple of days super cheap. And when you even use your stash points, the yarn is even going to be cheaper. So please check it out, because they explain this all very well on their website. Yeah, if you want to go for a membership to the for a subscription to the membership crate, or and maybe also for the sub crate, then please do not forget to use my link and a coupon code made by Siem 20. And whenever you're going to have a look on their website, please enjoy. Bye for now.